guys, today I am going to share with you my Trader Joe's haul. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while, so today I basically focused on getting things that are perfect for summer snacks. So if you have not watched my channel before, you know nothing about me. I have 3 kids and they're all very hungry. So I also work from home. I'm a full-time photographer. I have a home, I have a studio. Husband works from home. So we always need something that is quick, healthy, easy, possibly things that the kids can make on their own. So I'm gonna go through the bags that I got. Everything I got was under $100. And then I'll just explain a little bit about those items. So, bag number 1. So my kids are big chip eaters. So I get these pita chips and pretzel chips because they can just eat these with hummus. Just grab a bowl, put them in a bowl with some hummus and move on. We are not totally against having a few sweets. So these little mini or oatmeal cookies are a favorite of our kids. I love these too. I've just been trying to tell them, teaching them how to read labels. Excuse me. Teaching them how to read labels. My youngest is the one that I'm really trying to teach how to read labels because he will snack all day. He will sit and eat, half of these. I don't want him to do that. So teach your kids how to read the labels. Show them what their serving size should be and how much you want them to be at. So those are the oatmeal cookies. And then these are the chocolate chip dunkers. They can they can have these with milk. Really good with like hot cocoa, coffee, just the chocolate chip ones. And then everybody in our house loves iced tea lemonade. So it's good to just have a couple of drinks on hand all the time. Been trying to get them to drink a lot more water. So actually my Mariano's order, I did not do that video, but we did get some vitamin water and we got some flavored seltzer waters. So a little bit of more snacks, more breakfast items, I guess. So they love, this is the chocolate and cashew and almond mix. So there's 10 packs in here. This is good for grab and go if we're just going somewhere in the car. Bananas are a must. And then I've got grapes, strawberries. I will cut these up and they will be placed in a bowl. Like I have these meal prep bowls that I use. So these will be cut up, put in the meal prep bowls. So all they need to do is just grab them, grab a fork and go. Grapes, I will also put in meal prep bowls because then that way I'm able to portion these off to how many they should have. So they're able to grab these, put them with their lunch, grab them, take them in the car, whatever you want to do. And then I will probably freeze half of these just for a nice treat on a hot day. And so my kids are big yogurt eaters. So I grabbed some of the yogurts. So there's banana, strawberry, blueberry, and vanilla. These are some of their favorites. They will either just sprinkle a little granola on top. So we eat the Cascadian Farms honey and oats granola. So they can either sprinkle it on top, they can plop it in a bowl, sprinkle that on top, and then they can also add some fresh cut strawberries. Actually, here is the Cascadian Farms oats and honey. This is not from Trader Joe's. It's from my other grocery pickup. But just so you have an idea of what they can do with that. And then I grabbed unsalted butter for myself. More breakfast items. Okay, so I hadn't noticed these before at Trader Joe's, which I was actually really excited to see. Silver dollar pancakes. So what they can do, it tells them, my daughter's 13, so she's really good at getting something for her and her brothers if, I have to run out in the morning or something like that. So these are really easy even for my 10-year-old to do. So 3 pancakes, it tells them exactly how long to microwave them for, and then they can just go on about their day. So they can just add either peanut butter, they can add granola, they can add fruit topping, or they can just go with syrup. So I don't know how many are in this box. This says the serving size is 11 pancakes, and there's 3 servings. So these are probably these are small pancakes. You know what? Let me open and show you guys how big they are. I haven't seen these yet either. So there's supposed to be like 33 pancakes in here. Oh yeah, those are sweet little babies. Oh, those are sweet little babies. Let me see, I don't know. They're about the size of like, they're about 2 inches across, so you guys have an idea. So I love those. That's awesome. They will love those. Okay, so lunch. Let's move on to lunch items. These are a new item that I hadn't noticed Trader Joe's had either. My kids are obsessed with soft pretzels. Like, we go to the zoo, they want a pretzel. We go to a baseball game, pretzels. Movie theater, pretzels. Like, pretzels. So, these are 4 large frozen pretzels. Tells them how to do it in the microwave, and it also tells them if they want the salt, how to do the salt. I have cheese that they can use. Most of the time they actually just like them warmed up. And then the girl at Trader Joe's had the best idea. So the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, this stuff right here, she suggested putting this on top of the pretzel instead of the regular salt. That's freaking genius. Like, this stuff, I love this stuff. I'm gonna see if my kids like it or not, but I'm trying that for sure. So we got pretzels for lunch, and then I always grab these corn dogs. So my youngest is kind of a picky eater. I usually buy the veggie dogs, but I went ahead and grabbed the turkey ones so that I can kind of get him a little protein. So these have 6 grams of protein per corn dog, and they're turkey dogs. So they're a little bit healthier option for him. But I grabbed a couple boxes of those. We use an air fryer, and my 13-year-old knows which setting to put the air fryer on for corn dogs. So in case I'm not here, or they are always available. I am always available to text or FaceTime, and so she's very good at that. That way they're not messing with flames and stuff like that. Here is the hummus to go with those pita chips and pretzel slims. They like the roasted red pepper. And then this is a weird one. This is a weird one for kids, but my kids love this brown rice. There's 3 packs of the brown rice inside. So say I've made them turkey roll-ups or roll-ups or something for lunch, and I put them in the fridge for them. They're able to pop a bag of rice into the microwave for 90 seconds or 3 minutes maybe. 3 minutes. Pop this open. Yes, it's steamy. 13-year-old knows that it's gonna be hot. She plops it in a bowl. Soy sauce. They have a side of rice and their turkey veggie roll-ups. They love this stuff, and it's so easy. So I'm all about easy. Other option with the rice will be these turkey meatballs. They are fully cooked. So what they will do is make the rice, microwave it 3 minutes, and then these are also microwavable. So it says just place them on a microwave safe plate. They usually put them in a bowl, and then you want to put them in there for like 3 minutes. 4 minutes, and then let them stand for just a minute. So these are easy. I don't know how many's in here. 2 meatballs per serving, so there's about 12 meatballs, and you can see they're pretty big size. Pretty big size. About an inch and a half round. So those, rice, pretzels, fruit, hummus, corn dogs, little treats, bananas, fruit. Oh, what do we got in here? I got one more bag. Okay, so toast is a big thing. I use the Trader Joe's organic white. There's another one that I like. Where's it at? They must have eaten the rest of the toast this morning. So I did have a grocery pickup yesterday, and we literally ate an entire loaf of bread. I think it was the Dave's like just right bread or something, the organic white bread. Super thin slices, which they actually really like. These are a little bit thicker, but still very good. I had bagels yesterday. Oh, you know what? I have the bagels right here. I'll show you guys. So in my pickup yesterday, this is the same brand, Dave's Killer Bread. So it's an organic bread brand. That's so hard to say. Organic bread. Oh my gosh, organic bread brand. What the heck? Blooming Blueberry. They were out of the plain bagels, so same company though makes the other white bread that we like. So I grabbed plain mini bagels from Trader Joe's. I will pre-slice these for them so that they don't have to use a knife. And then I'll just put them back in this bag so that they can toast those whenever they want. And then last but not least, one more breakfast / snack item, Pop-Tarts. Well, toaster pastries. These are probably the most popular item in my house. My husband eats them, kids grab them, they eat them cold, they eat them hot, they toast them, they don't toast them, whatever. So I buy these like 3-4 boxes at a time, about 3. So, I think that's it. That's the Trader Joe's grocery haul. If you guys have any questions about any items or the way I portion things off, let me know. I will pop in a picture of the little meal prep containers I was telling you about for the grapes and the strawberries. And I just leave those out on the counter so that they can create their yogurts also. Yogurt, granola, honey, agave, fruit, whatever. Make it so that your kids have what is available. The healthy things are available for them. They're able to make the choices easier other than grabbing candy or something sweet. That is my goal this summer, is for them to reach for something a little bit healthier, a little bit less sweet, and something easy for them to do so that they're feeling independent in creating meals for themselves. So other than that, that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.